Welcome back, folks. Glad to be here with you. Coming to you live. Another Asian session in front of us. Forward to seeing if we can't get off a couple good trades here tonight. See how this goes. What's happening? How's it going? What we can pick off tonight. If we can pick some stuff off tonight. Them Elliott boys were right. You're not lying there, Cap. Crazy how those technicals just kind of play out, right? That and the fact that you had, I mean, that volume was lower. The volume today on the NQ was absurd. 450,000 contracts. I guess it was better than yesterday. But effectively, I mean, Wednesday before Thanksgiving was bigger. Yeah, we'll be around. We're gonna take a quick break around 9 o'clock again, 8:45. We will be here. Go try to play Crash Car Derby again. See how this works out. It's easier to come back and crash. Yeah, nobody wants to see you crash. Sorry, while we're waiting on folks to show up, I'm see here. I didn't see who he picked for SEC. Paul Atkins, huh? I don't understand why the stream says it is expecting a different. Is it just me or does the stream look like shit tonight? Oh, there it goes. all in Doge. Just go right ahead. Just whole hog. Go the whole Monty. Just take your entire life savings, dump it into Doge. Do not do that, folks. As appealing as it may sound, if you're here for tradertainment only, this is not to be construed as trading advice. What you guys do in the chat is your own thing, though. We are completely, absolutely tradertainment only here at Day Trading Nomads. If you are here for the first time, please like, subscribe. We're here every evening for the Asian session. We'll run for a little while, hopefully get more movement tonight than we have in the prior few nights. The MO of the past few evenings has been pretty simple. We will chop around in an 80 tick range, and then missed my opportunity there potentially. Chop around in an 80 tick range, and then sometime around London, maybe later in the London session, then we'll actually get the movement everybody's looking for. But tonight we are moderate sell on the MACVU. I'll admit I am looking for a play back down to 21,492. That was probably my entry, but I'll wait for a push back up, and then I will try to get short. $21,492, $21,483.50. Those are targets I will gladly take on tonight. You also have some little range overhead as well. In that 21, the center of it is 21,582 or 528.25. So just to kind of share what we're looking at here. Daily volume profile chart from today. Got some interesting little spots to continue highlighting. Areas of interest, areas that will catch my eye, that we will try to target. And obviously, right below us where we are, you have a power dot up there on the Ripple B. The way this all operates is we operate from left to right, looking at higher time frames, trying to get pinpoint entries off of the lower time frame charts. All right, let's see. Sit and wait. Love a push up, just a little push up, and then we can get a play back south. Otherwise, we will go on the crack of that fib dot on the Ripple chart there. Check my data. Howdy, folks. Welcome back. How'd everybody do today? Hopefully you had a green day there. Just looking for a little push up and then opportunity to get short. Again, we'll be looking for plays back to 21,492, 21,483.50. Well as some long targets up above us as well. 21,528.50 looks about as good as any other. Another kind of gap and go day today. Means there should be plenty of opportunities ahead for some nice plays out there. The question is how long do some of these gaps hold? And my charts are starting to look like they're just highlighted regions now from all the nice areas of interest for me. Bring it over and kind of show it off. Again, volume profile chart. Previous day, we were looking at value area high, point of control. Obviously, the value area low as well down here. I will happily try to get involved and or engaged in something like that. Just gotta find the right reason to get there. A crab forming up above us. We are working off of a couple dots here and a Bollinger Band touch on the nines. It's me. So how'd you guys do today? Target value right now on the AlgoBox info panel says 13 ticks, so no use in getting greedy. We definitely want to be cognizant of that. Still working off the same concepts we had in in the recent few evenings. Right back to it. 80 tick range. Jesse, what's happening, brother? Hopefully you enjoyed today. Seemed like it was pretty much your kind of day. How's the stream look? I'm actually getting an error in YouTube Studio tonight. No trades today. Gotcha. There you go. Yeah, as soon as we ended the stream last night, then the market ended up running to my original targets. I was a little frustrated. Little frustrated after the stream last night. Should have held on. That's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. Literally closed it out right at the very bottom there and watched it run to where I had my targets. But that's what happens when you have poor entry, right? Bad mechanics leads to bad trading. It doesn't matter. Oh, look, Jesse shows up and the viewers pick right up. Welcome, folks. Jesse, how does the stream look? Can you even see it? Or are you in your car on the ride home? I was all over the board today. I'll admit, the Asian session has been maddening. No, I'm not trying anything different. I'm getting an error in YouTube Studio about screen resolutions, so I don't understand why. I haven't changed anything on my end. The only thing I can see is I pulled a Wednesday template, but Yeah, it says the stream quality is poor. But I'm just gonna let it run. If we have any issues, I will kill it and restart with last night's stream settings. Just weird. No idea. All right, let's. One, two, three.
Order filled.
I'll enter on the crack of that. Fib dot. This could be a four-legged dog trap, so I've got to be careful. I am going to take this target down to 492. See if we can't play down towards value area. High of the day. I am taking on a little bit more risk, or taking on a trade. I don't have a problem taking on a little more risk with this. Let's go. Give us a push. Let's go. Come on. Take it out. Take out target one. Come on. And harmonic hits right at the bottom. There we go. Come on. We cracked that structure. I will not mind. Come on. Come on, break this structure. Break this structure. Let's go. Not going to. It's going to end up being a four-legged dog trap, isn't it? It very well could. It very well could. Definitely not perfect. And buyers are stepping in. So this is target 2 of that harmonic. Target 1 being right here at 21,506 3/4. This is fun. They said it would be fun. Let's go. Come on. Fortunately, I do see a few buyers on Market Pulse, but what I really don't like is just got that nice big Smurf dot on the freaking MACD. I do not like working against the Smurf dot. Oh, is it only 50% off now? Ouch. They're really sticking it to us. There's 30 dogs. Yeah. All right. T1 on this harmonic has almost been reached. Let's see if we can be on the right side of history. GPT left? What is that? Let's go. Ugh, I hate that. Come on. Ran Yahoo ads. Gotcha. Take profit trader. Yeah, I no idea. I have not used those guys at all. Really don't want to do this, but I'm gonna
Target
take one
filled.
off just so I can. Do like the fact that we did break that structure. What I don't like is we just kind of held. Push back up to like 510. I will add into this. Ugh, Delta. Buyer said not so fast, John. That is a no bueno. Fire everywhere all of a sudden. Defending 500 like their life depends on it. And you get a double cross. Right in the middle of a zone. Three wise men. Could be. Look to the left. It is right in the heart of a zone.
Order filled.
Let's see how this goes. Play it back towards the stop. Oh, and it's a J hook, isn't it? Now. Perfect. Play it. Where is my stop on the J hook? No, that's not a J-hook. That's my fib extension. Sorry. We are moderate sell. Let's see how this plays out. All right, I like that fib dot. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Let's go. Don't crack it. Don't you crack it. Come on down. Let's go. Where's my stop so I don't lose? Not exactly the best question to be asking, but it is a question, so. I did take one contract off earlier. And these are minis in play. Come on. Let's go. Push down. Push down. I don't like all the consolidation here, and I'm not the biggest fan of that delta push that we just had. We did push down into, I mean, that is a minus development area that we pushed down into. Everything has been so strong buy side. Come on, push down, take my targets. Let's go.
Target filled.
All right, that's 2 targets. I will move myself to break even. And now it's just hold. Let's go. Just a couple ticks in front of break even. See how. Might be getting a little bit too Billy with the stops. Probably should just let it sit and let's go. Come on. I am front running the let's go. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I am front running value area high. Move it down here, at least lock in some profit. I'm probably going to choke this trade off, but if it pushes back up,
Exit.
then I can, yep. That's fine, I'll
Exit.
take it right there. Let it push up, and then I can get short again. Maybe, maybe not. Perfect. Go, buddy, go. Get up there. So that puts me up after commissions. I'm up 113. Average bars, I'm on the ones. Average bars, big whopping 4 on the ones. So I don't know if I can keep up with this. This is a little too fast. Little too fast. Yeah, that's the hope. If not, we'll reconvene and try to figure out what to do. Find some other way to have fun. But yeah, I don't know what else to do.
Order.
There was no order. That's me reconnecting to accounts. Probably should have held that, but I did want to protect what profit I had. We're gonna be breaking for dinner. Break for dinner about an hour from now. And I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna end the stream and then I'll start a new stream. At that point. So again, we've taken one trade on stream tonight. Up a whopping 113.28. Hey, I'm looking for a bigger push out of here with, again, another reason to get short. 6 folks on here, and we've got 1 like. And I know who that guy is. Again, targets of 492 and 483.50. 492 being the value area high from the day, 483.50 would be the point of control for today. So looking for those 2. Now we've got 2. Epic Futures, how's it going, buddy? Thank you. 10 concurrent users. Just start bitching and moaning about likes, and all of a sudden people start showing up. Love it. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate the support of the channel. We've had 1 trade on stream tonight. We are up 113.28 on the night. And I am looking for that, like I said, a push back into the upper end of this channel. We do have neon green dot plus a ready up on the
Enigma short on the NQ1.
east. So taking it. Look at Benny's. There was your excuse to get short, John. As I was saying, do you have a ready up on the MACD chart? We did crack the dot there on that. We do have a headshot long with this. Other than that, I will stay out of the way. You want to look and see what it looks like perhaps in the 2s. Another headshot long. By headshot, we've got an alpha omega cross near that blue Smurf dot there. You know, I did not. I need to. How are your bars color coded there, Epic? I need to color code my ready ups on the. I did it on my Ripple chart. I did not on Ripple A. I did not color code it on my. Same way I have them color coded here. Dark red, dark green. That's what I was looking for. Oops. Indicators. Delta Flagging Pro. Dark red. Dark green. So let's see, last time we got that ready up. really went another 40, 50 ticks before it actually turned around. So that would put us somewhere short of the point of control. Yeah, it's also the diamonds are the most common. They're also the weakest harmonic as well, right? So, ooh, do I take it on the break of the dot on the sixes? Will we have more room to roam? I mean, obviously we know what I want for a target down here. Uh, 492 and 483.50. So I'll bring it over just to show. So 492, 483.50. Those are the 2 points that we're trying to get to. That's what I'm playing back towards. I am actually looking for a push up first, though. I'd love to see it play back towards the cipher. So that is, ideally, that's what I'm targeting, is up there. I don't think we're going to get it, though. Probably just going to get the push right here to 492. My guess. That's what it. But yeah, something next to that. I would say no. I had a terrible New York session. I'll admit, I finished down for the day. I fought it the entire way. Ended up being down like 215 across everything. So I've been good of late about catching, recognizing and honoring the AOC clustering, and yeah, 250, and that's 218 to be exact, like 218 and change. But yeah, it's so frustrating, just because, and I got caught on a gap fill trade, so it met my criteria for a gap fill entry. Immediately grabbed me by a tick, reversed, and that started the day off in a pretty significant hole, because yeah, I was a little heavy for a large trade. So I'd have been playing for a 400-ish tick move, and let's just say it didn't work out in my favor. So my entry was basically, the way I play it is I look for a break of the overnight high, and then a break back below the New York session open, and it did. It played out exactly as I planned it out. I took the trade, executed completely as I would by my rules, and today it did not work. And as such, started out in quite a hole this morning. Fought my way back, but yeah, I was playing a gap fill, and that caught me this morning. So such is life. You can see it right at 9:30 in the 9:30 candle. I say the 9:30 candle, you know, on a 30-minute chart. The 9:30 candle on that. That's where I got caught. And a stop on that move is pretty significant. So I was happy to fight my way back, but it was not the way I wanted to start my day, I can tell you that. Especially after ending the stream last night with a terrible trade too. So I started off in a pretty significant hole, dug my way back out, but it wasn't without a fight because I did fight the trend quite a bit today. $10.17 AO on the AB9s. See if I've got it. Yeah, see, I didn't get that same AO, but I'm assuming it was down here somewhere. Yeah, that'll do it. That will do it. Great job. So how'd you finish up? One and done. Fantastic. Plus 2K and 8 accounts. There you go. So yeah, so I'm looking for just a push up right here back to that like 508. If I can. I don't know if it's gonna break back or not. That's what I'm waiting on. Waiting on some confirmation of that. Again, ideally, I'm playing it down to 492. I did have an entry. I closed it out in profit. Probably should have held that runner, but I did trail my stop a little tight. I basically made up half of my loss from the day. So one more trade, we should be out of the hole, and then it's time to get aggressive again. Kudos to you. At some point, I will download the sounds here and get us some applause and all the good things that can come with a good stream. Not going to get the push up I wanted. My original entry back here. I just did not hold my runner. Now I'm going to kick myself. Should we are moderate sell on the MACD. This does take us to our target. It is accumulating here though. That's the only thing I don't like. We break the low.
Order submit.
Yeah,
Order canceled.
I can sit here and mess with an ideal entry all night. Don't want to get too silly. Let's see what we've got. $480, yeah. I mean, that's, like I said, $483.50 is what I'm ultimately looking for. $492, $483.50. But we are double cross. It's in the middle of the zone. It's not. We did break this dot on the Ripple B. But we're right up against support. And I'm okay holding on to that trade. Originally, my target was to let it run up. Indicators. Let's see, did I do that right again?
Lower bands touch NQ on the 38.
Dark red, dark green. Why do I have a problem with that? Okay. Dark red, dark green. Why? Okay. I do. Nice little delta push. Yeah, I mean, this is on the one, so everything is exaggerated, right? There's a double cross. My original area to get short was closer to that cipher at 508. You will wait and see. If this move up here, if this is a trap, yeah, I'm not that keen at all getting involved if I have a question about where it's going. I'll stay out of the way. Now, if we do break that fib dot, I do have my finger over the sell, and I will get short again. We are moderate sell, although we were back down in a masher area.
J hook long NQ on the 2.
All right, we got a J hook. J hook on the 2s. J hook long. Double ready up, but in different directions, although buy side delta is already waning. So yeah, we're gonna run for probably, I'd say, another 30 minutes. I'm gonna take a quick 30-minute break so we can grab some dinner, recharge, and then we'll resume at 9:15. And that 9:15 Eastern will stream all the way until probably, I say it's midnight every night, but we haven't gotten off of here before 1 a.m. yet. So all right. Now we're just kind of chopping back and forth across this Alpha Omega. We did pop down in that minus development area, or that cave, as Vinny would term it. To use the AlgoBox term, we did chop down into the cave from earlier today. So that little transit area is being filled in as we speak. They are auctioning off that area at this point. And that range is basically from 507 down to 492. So currently in a J hook. Just looking again, I'm looking for a reason to get short. I do want to trade it back towards that back towards value area low or value area high for the day. We are in the ideal entry area for this J hook, but I'll admit it is not a continuation. Oof. Doesn't mean it won't work though. I just have the way I like to play these guys when I do. These are great large plays. But not one I'm interested in at this very moment. You guys that have been around the stream a little bit know I like to play these as a continuation, so I want to see a big, strong move coming up into a long, not a push down. I'm not as big of a fan of them as a reversal. That is I don't have any data specifically as to why. I probably should go validate that with data, and I would probably find myself wrong, but but on a crack of this dot, I'll have no problem getting short.
Order submitted.
Ideally, we would push up to that cipher, and that will give me the entry I would rather short. But a crack at this fib dot serve the same purpose. Jesse, I think we're gonna have a visitor to the stream tonight, a later stream. So again, we're gonna run this for another 25 minutes, and we're gonna take a 30-minute break. I will have a second stream tonight. It starts at 9:15 Eastern. I'd love to have everyone that's on join. We will be here for another 25 minutes or so. Perfect.
Order canceled.
That dot holds. See if we can get a push up real quick. Would not hurt my feelings at all. I'm going to shift gears real fast as well. And see if I can get a better entry signal. Let's go straight to the question I asked Finney here. I think well, Mikey might join us potentially. Have a third buddy in the room. That'll make for a fun stream. See if we can go push up, take out. T1 for this. I would love a fib dot or something inside of this RZ.
Lower bands touch on the 38.
Target 1 filled on the
Order.
on the J hook. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Push back down the T1 on the shark. Is not going to yet. T1 on the J-hook taken out. Looks like it's going to go straight to T2, which will make this trade a loser. Just going to play it back to T1 for these harmonics. Let's go. Come on. Unfortunately, it's just buyers out there right now. My stop is in the right spot. We will hold. Do not like this. I do think it completes this move to 515. One quick push down to go fill these would be super nice. It's not broken the shark yet, but it is dangerously close. Yep. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I did like exactly where that harmonic was at the time. It was at the top of a zone. Such is life. We can get a quick push down. Graceful exit out would be super nice. Not a huge fan how we're just consolidating up here. Let's go. Go get to target. Go get to T1. Let's go to T1. T1 on a shark gets all the way back down here. I will be stubborn and hold for it. Probably against my own better judgment. do not like that crab right above me. Come on, quick push down. There we go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. I'm gonna
Order
take half
canceled.
off just to not in the best of trades, remove some risk. Yeah, I'll take a loss, but not the same loss. Keep coming. 504.50 would be ideal. That would take me to T1 on this guy. Let's go. Keep coming. I'm gonna take T1 on this shark. Don't take T1. Keep coming. Let's go. Come on. Keep coming. I will move myself. Do break even for this. Probably choke myself off, but let's go. Come on. Sellers keep coming.
Exit. Exit.
Yep, that's the way it goes. That's all right. Minimize the damage on that.
Order filled. Target filled.
Let's go. One more push up. Let's go take target 2. Just go take target 2.
Target filled. Target filled.
There we go. Make some money back. Now I'm back to up 182.8 182.08 on the night. Whoops, that is live chat. There we go. So T1, T2 off of this J hook is complete. I get to push all the way through. We are neutral. Well, looks like that was yep, looks like that was definitely your trap. Target 3 is off now in the J hook and the 2s. There we go. That is the answer.
Order filled.
Just gonna see if we can play it back towards the front of this crab. All the way back here. You target 1 on this guy. Big enough. Definitely against the grain. But since when have I not been against the grain? Let's go. Got a fib dot right into a PRZ. I'm looking at this on a higher time frame. We'll go with cracks that dot. I will get out of the way. Even though this is the whole reversal zone on a crab, I will get out of the way on that, just on a crack of the dot. Come on. Eh. Guess I hit one of my
Target
hotkeys.
filled.
There we go. That's one target. I am at break even. Now I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold at break even, see what happens. I am playing it down to T1 on the crab on the 6s. It makes it great. It does not. I am at break even. I have zero risk in this trade at this point. Let's go. Come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Let's go. Come on. Get there. You are halfway home.
Target filled.
I'll take it right where it's at. There we go. So I wanted to hold out, but being that it came back to the gold line or the open price, didn't want to push my luck, wanted to take my money and run. I have now taken care of my losses from today. So we're gonna run for 4 more minutes, folks. We have had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades on stream tonight. We are 3 for 4 on those trades. Shouldn't even say 3 for 4, 3.5 for 4. I took one off for a loss, one for profit, so kind of break even. Happy with that. No complaints. We're in a good spot with a nice positive P&L. So they no dinner allowed. Yeah. No, I probably shouldn't change anything, right? Don't move the keys to the right pocket. The rabbit's foot is working. Yeah, I'll admit I'm a bit tired from the last couple nights of trading, so it's been fun. But running a stream for 5 hours every night is it's gonna wear on me a little bit. I have a feeling come Friday night, when Bob's finally feeling well enough to do some market replay or something, I might not quite make that. Might not make that. So folks, if you're sitting here watching the chat, definitely like, subscribe. Love to see you guys come back and join us. We're gonna call it for a bit here in a few, and hopefully you'll come back and join us. We'll be at 9:15 Eastern, 6:15 Pacific for those of us those of you on the West Coast. Rest of us, we can all figure out our time zones from there. But yeah, I'd love for everybody to come back and join us. We will have a guest. Actually, we'll have a couple. Shouldn't say Jesse's not a guest. He's just a nomad himself at this point. But yeah, we'll have Jesse on. We'll have a special guest on, and hopefully we can get a few more folks in here that are interactive in the chat, want to engage. We will definitely be here though, regardless of whether you are or not. But we appreciate all the support for the channel. Thank you a lot, and we will see you in 30 minutes. Take care, guys.